Morning, folks. We're looking at Friday. The weekend is here. Some of you are thinking, can I get outside? And the question is probably, the answer is probably no. We're looking at temperatures actually rising a degree or two over the next couple of days. 97, everybody inland is going to be at or near 100. Those of us along the immediate coastline are going to have the nice little sea breeze blowing in the afternoon hours, but there's really no relief in sight as we continue with this very hot, dry weather pattern. The heat index advisory is up for outdoor working people. If you're out there strenuously working, I'm talking, construction or something like that, just get plenty of fluids and don't overexert yourself because the heat could be trying to tell you something. I always look for thunderstorms in the mountains of northern Mexico this time of year to see if any of them fire up and then drift this way. The reason is that Gulf air, that sea breeze is going this way, then it hits the mountains and these thunderstorms develop. But at this point in time, even if they did begin to drift this way, they wouldn't really affect us much because high pressure is on top of us and they can't squeeze under that. The pressure over us will just really keep everything from developing. So our chances of precipitation for the next 2 weeks, I'm not kidding here, I'm not kidding, it looks almost zero. So other than humidity, that's about it. Now here are the remnants of what used to be Alberto, going through the Ohio Valley right about there, producing some rain. Of course, in Maryland, you heard we already had some. We have a valiant little cold front here. It moved through the northwest. It is going to be rolling down and skirting over Texas. I mean, it might even make it into Arkansas, but the bubble of hot air, the orange, and then of course the red here tells you that for Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, and on to Monday and Tuesday, there's no real change in the pattern, and that just will not allow anything to move through. Early on Monday, you can see how there's a little bit of a dip here, and that will back up the intensity of the ridge. That'll give us a little bit of a break because that's the only way that this little front is coming through. Now notice it does produce a few showers in North Texas and just falls apart as it rolls into Texas. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm on the lookout. This is a super duper extended forecast. But June 12th to the 14th, the computer models are beginning to spin up another tropical system right off the Yucatan. It's a long way out, but where it goes is going to be important to watch. We'll be certainly looking at it for you. Near record temperatures for the next few days as temperatures stay in the mid-90s.